Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create index column in Power Query. So this is my Excel sheet with some data. First I will convert this data into the table. So simply select the cell inside the data and press the Ctrl T to convert this data into table. Here you can see the small dialog box is open. Click on the OK to convert this data into table. Then go to the data tab in get and transform data group. Click on the get data, click on the from other sources, then click on the from table or range, and you can see your Power Query editor is open. Okay. Now here I'm going to add the index column. So here we want to create unique number for each row. Okay. So that's the index. Okay. So go to the add column tab. So I just click on the add column and click on the index column. Okay. Just click on this drop down arrow. You will see the two options here showing from 0 will start numbering from 0. From 1 will start from 1. Okay. So I select here the from 1 and you can see the index column is added from 1 to 5. Okay. And if you select here, I just click on this arrow and click on the from 0 and see here the from 0 number is added. Okay. And if you want to custom the start number, just click on this drop down list and click on the customs. And here you can custom your number. So add index column. Add an index column with the specified starting index and increment. Suppose I want to start from the 100. An increment I want 10. So every number add the 10 numbers. Just click on OK. And see here in index 200 plus 110, 120, 130, 140. It means 10, it's added in every row. Okay. So that's it. So you have created the index column using the Power Query. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.